The last video, girls, we had discussed the 7th question and then 11th question. Now we are going to discuss the question number 8. This is the figure is given here, and this is given that OD, OE, and OF are the perpendiculars, and this we want to prove. Okay, so the figure is given here. This is the figure triangle ABC, and OD is a perpendicular on BC, OE is perpendicular on OAC, and OF is perpendicular on AB. So here we want to prove OA square plus OB square plus OC square. So we will see in the figure where are these all points: OA, OB and OC minus OD, OE and OF is equals AF, BD and CE. So according to these points we will choose the triangles. According to these points we will choose here the triangles. So what construction we have done here? We will join OA, OB and OC. We will join these 3 points. Now we will choose a triangle AFO. Triangle AFO because we want AF square. So AFO, this is AFO. This triangle is AFO. This is 90 degree. So OA is the hypotenuse. So OA square is equals to AF square and plus OF square. This is OA square because this angle is 90. OA square is equals to AF square plus OF square. So these 3 we are getting here. This is the first equation. So we will match this here. That OA we are having, AF yes we are having, OF yes we are having. So these 3 points 1, 2 and these 3 we are getting here. Now we will choose another triangle. We want here OB. So OB is here, OB. Now we will choose this or this one. So we want here BD also, BD. This BD and OB. So we will take this triangle. This triangle we will take. So D is the 90. So OB is the hypotenuse. OB square is equals to BD square plus OD square. This is the second equation. We are getting here OB, BD and OD. This one, all the 3. Now 3 are left. So we will take now because of this sequence we just come to know that we will choose this triangle. Okay. So here E is 90. So OC is the hypotenuse. OC square is equals to CE square plus OE square. So we are getting here CE, yes, this one, OC, yes, here, and OE is this one. So what we will do? We will just add all the 3 equation. Left side added to left side, right side added to right side. So OA square here, this is OA square, OB square, OC square is equals to AF square, OF square, BD square, OD square, CE square, OE square. So what can we see here? What we want to prove, OD, OE and OF are on the left side. So we will transpose these to the left side. So OD, OF and OE. We will transpose to the left side. So OA, OB, OC square minus this OD square, OE square minus OF square is equals to AF. This will remain AF, BD and CE. This is the first part. Similarly, we can do the second part. In second part, we are required here AF square plus BD square plus CE square. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. You can see this is the part of the first that we have proved here. This is the right side part. AF square plus BD square plus CE square. And right side we are getting here AE square plus CD plus BF. So similarly that we have done in the first part. Similarly now with the different triangles we will apply the same. So in triangle first we have taken AF. We are having this, we have in the first part. This is the first part, AF square BD plus CE. This is equals to this one. So we will solve this right side part AE. Where is AE? AE is here. So we will choose here these triangles, this triangle. So this here is 90. So OA is the hypotenuse. So OA square is equals to OE square plus AE square. So this is our equation number 6. Similarly, we will take this triangle and this one. So ODC is equals to, this is ODC, ODC. OC square is the hypotenuse, OD plus DC are the other side. Similarly, OBF, this is OBF, here it is 90, so OB is the hypotenuse. So OB square is equals to OF plus BF square. Now we will add both the equations. OB square, OC square, OA square is equals OF square, BF square, OD square, DC square, OE square plus AE square. Now here this is given OA square, OB square, OC square. This we will match with the equation number first. That is the first part we have proved. OA square, here it is OA, OB, OC. And this OD, OF and OE will transpose to left side. So what is remaining here? BF square, DC square and AE square. This is left here. So this is equation number A we have taken, this is, and this is equation number B. So from equation A and B, what we are getting, the left side are equal. They are left side OA square, OA square, OB square, OB square, OC square, OC square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square. So if the left side are equal, the right side will also be equal. So we can say AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equals to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So we have to choose the different triangles here. 3 one time and 3 are the other time. So we will get the what we want to prove. So similarly we can solve here. The ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So this is very simple. Question is here, directly the Pythagoras we can apply here. Suppose this is a ladder A, B and C. AC is the ladder, this is 10 meter long, ladder TD hoti hai, and window is here, this is 8 meter above. You have to find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So this is AC is the ladder, this is 10 meter long and at a height of 10 meter from the ground. This is the window 8 meter and we have to find the distance here. So this one is 90 क्योंकि window, this is the wall और ये ladder होगा तो ये ground के बीच में 90 degree है. So here we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter. Vertical pole is always stand straight in 24 meter long and has stake attached to the other end. Okay, so how far from the base of the pole should be? This is similarly like the 9th question. 11th we has already discussed. Now the 12th question you can see. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So one is like this, one is like this. So this is given, one pole is 6 meter and other is 11. This smaller one is 6 meter, this is 11 meter and the distance between them is 12 meter. This is given here, find the distance between their tops. तो यहाँ दोनों को join करेंगे और here we have drawn a perpendicular. This is the perpendicular and these two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. So this is 6 meter here up to like this 6 meter and this will remain 5 meter and this will be 12 meter. Now in this triangle A, B, C, D, E. In triangle AED we can apply the Pythagoras theorem and can find AD here. So like this you can do. Now the question number 13. DE are points on the side CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC. Right angled at C, prove we have to do this. Now the question number 13 is given here, a triangle ABC. This is ABC, right angled at C. D and E, these are the 2 points on sides AC. This is the AC and BC. E is a point on BC. What we have to prove? We have to prove AE square plus BD square is equals AB square plus DE square. DAB and DE. Okay. So construction we have to do here. Construction is then join AE. We have to join this AE like this. AE and BD. This is BD. We have to join these two sides. Now prove in triangle. So we have to see what we have to prove. According to that we have to choose the triangles. I told you this earlier also. So here is given AE. Where is AE? This one is AE. BD. BD is this one. So you can see A is the hypotenuse of triangle ACE and BD is the hypotenuse of triangle BCD. AB is given. AB is the hypotenuse of the triangle ACB and DE is the hypotenuse of triangle DCE. So first we have taken here ABC. Triangle ABC, angle C is 90. So this is AB square is equals AC square plus BC square. This is the first equation. Now we will see triangle DCE. 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 This triangle with the blue line. This triangle. We have to join this also actually. DE. Join DE. So this triangle we will take. In triangle DCE. DCE angle C is 90. So DE is the hypotenuse is equals to DC square plus CE square. Two equations we are getting here. We have got here AB square that we want to prove AB and DE. One side we got on the left side of these two equations. Now in triangle ACE. ACE. This triangle. This one. ACE. This triangle. What we are having? E is 90. So AE square is equals to AC square plus CE square. This is the third equation. Now triangle DCB. DCB. This complete triangle. D, C and B. This one. DCB. So BD square is equals to DC square plus BC square. So we are getting here the 4 equations. Okay. Now adding first and second. If we add first and second here, first and second, left side is added to left side. So this is here AB square plus DE square and is equals AC square plus BC square, AC square plus BC square, DC square plus CE square, that is DC square plus CE square. So left side we got, one side we got AB square and DE square, that is other side we want. Okay, now we will make the pairs and compare it with the equation number 3 and 4. So in equation 3 we are getting AC and CE. So AC, this AC and CE we will collect together in one bracket and remaining we will put in one bracket BC square plus DC square. So here we get AC plus CE square, AC plus CE square, that is equals to AE square, and BC plus CD, BC plus CD square, that is equal to BD square. So we can write here from third and fourth equation. So AB square plus DE square is equals to AE square plus BD square, that is equals to what we want to prove. So this was the 13th question. Now we are going to do the 14th question. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at D such that BD is equals to thrice of CD. The condition is given. This we want to prove. So here it is given triangle ABC. We are given here triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular. AD is perpendicular on BC and it is given that BD, this side BD is equals to thrice of CD. Or we can write here BD upon CD is equals to 3 upon 1. BD and CD. This is 3:1. Okay. Now we want to prove twice of AB square. This is AB square, it will come 2 times, is equals twice of AC square and BC square. BD AD का कहीं रोल नहीं है, but we have to use that to show. So what we are going to choose here, we are getting here triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, this triangle, this one, ADB. So here we will apply, because this is 90, so we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. Okay, so AB square is equals to BD. BD is not here in what we want to prove. So we will convert this into BC. So BD can be written as BC minus DC. Can be right? Yes, of course. BD can be written as BC. पूरे में से अगर DC को माइनस कर दिया जाए तो will get BD. तो BC minus DC, this whole square plus AD square. AB square is equals to, this will open the bracket, whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. BC square plus DC square minus 2BC into DC plus AD square. So this is AB square is equals to BC square plus, here we are having, this is DC square minus 2BC into DC. So this DC, this DC and this AD we will put in the one bracket, minus 2BC into DC. अब how can we find this DC? Now let's see here. BC is equals to, we can write BC is equals to CD plus BD. So BC is equals to CD plus BD. So BC is equals to CD plus, CD as it is, plus BD. BD it is given here thrice of CD, so we can write thrice of CD. So BC is equals to 4CD, or CD is equals to BC by 4. So this CD side we have got in terms of BC. So here BC as it is, this CD we can write from here BC by 4. This can be cut, so we are getting here 2. So BC square plus this we have put in one bracket, DC square plus AD square minus BC square by 2. So AB square is equals to BC square and BC square both are same, so we can put in same bracket, and this is in the different one. So by taking the LCM here, 2BC square minus BC square, so we will get here BC square by 2. And here we can see in the figure, if we'll see DC square, where is the DC square? DC square is this one, DC side is here and AD is here. So if we apply the Pythagoras theorem here in this triangle, in this triangle if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, so we are having AC square is equals to AD square plus DC square. So this AD square plus DC square we can write as AC square. So AB square is equals to BC square by 2 plus AC square. By taking the LCM we'll get BC square plus 2AC square. This 2 will transpose to left side. So 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square, that we want to prove it. Now question number 15 is here. In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equals to 1 by 3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equals to 7A square. Little bit of same question. So here is an equilateral triangle is given to you. This is an ABC equilateral triangle. D is a point on BC. This is BC such that BD is equals to 1 by 3rd of BC. मतलब BD जो है वो BC का 1 by 3rd. So here BD is equals to 1 by 3 of BC. This triangle ABC is given and this BD is 1 by 3rd of BC. This is given 9AD square is equals to 7AB square we have to prove. We will do here one construction because without Pythagoras theorem we cannot find the squares here. So and Pythagoras can be there if there is a right triangle. So we will put here one perpendicular on side BC from the vertex A. So AE is a perpendicular on BC. This is given. Okay. Now we have to do in triangle AEB. We will take triangle AEB. this complete triangle, complete triangle we will take here. So AB is the hypotenuse, AE is the perpendicular, means one side, and BE is the other side. So here we have written AB is equals to AE square plus BE square is equals to AB square. Okay, what we want to prove here? AB. So one AB we are getting. So AE square, this is AE square plus BE. BE is given, this is the BE. We know that this is the equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle the perpendicular divides the side on which it is drawn. So BE will be equals to EC. BE will be equals to EC. So we can write BE as BC by 2. Or to use this equation as BD is equals to 1 by 3 BC, this BD, here BE, can be written as BD plus DE. So this BE we will write here BD plus DE whole square is equals to AB square. A square as it is, this we will open with the help of the squares. BD square plus DE square plus 2BD plus into DE is equals to AB square. So AB square is for our use. Others we want AD, but AD अभी तक आया नहीं है, तो हमें AD भी लाना है. तो AD कैसे आ सकता है? If we will see triangle AED, this is smaller triangle, smaller one. This is 90. So AD square is the hypotenuse. So for this we are required the sum of the other two sides, that is AE and DE. This is AE and DE we will get from here. So AE square and DE square we will put in one bracket. BD square as it is, 2BD DE as it is, AB square. Because we have used here in triangle AED, AE square plus DE square is equals to AD. So AE square plus DE square can be replaced by AD square plus BD square plus 2BD into DE, that is equals to AB square. Okay, अब AD आना शुरू हो गया है. AB हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है. बीच का जितना भी है पार्ट BD, BD, BE, BD, BD, ये सब हमें हटाना है. क्या किया जाए? AD स्क्वायर प्लस BD स्क्वायर प्लस 2BD. This DE फिगर में अगर हम देखते हैं तो DE कैन बी रिटन एज BE माइनस BD, BE माइनस BD. पूरे BE में से अगर BD को माइनस कर दे तो वी विल गेट DE. सो हियर वी हैव रिटन BE माइनस BD. AD square as it is, BD is given here 1 by 3 BC or BC by 3. So wherever is BD, we will replace it by BC by 3. So BD is BC by 3 whole square, 2 into BD is BC by 3 whole square, BD is BC by 3 whole square. Now BE. I told this you that in equilateral triangle the perpendicular divides the side. So BE is equals to EC, or we can write BE is half of BC. BE is half of BC. So here we have written BE is equals to half of BC. AD square, BD we have changed here. AD square, BD we have changed here. BC by 3 whole square plus 2 into BC by 3. BE we have written BC by 2 minus BC by 3 is equals to AB square. AD square plus BC square upon 9, opening the bracket, 2BC by 3, taking the LCM inside 6. So here we are having 3BC minus 2BC is equals to AB square, and here it is now onward there is a calculation only. AD square plus BC square by 9. This is here 3BC minus 2BC, we are getting only BC. This 2 and 6 can be cut 3, BC square by 9, AB square. So BC square is 9 by 2 times, so 2BC square upon 9. Taking the LCM, 9 AD square plus 2BC square is equals to AB square. Transpose 9 to right side. 9 AD square, 2BC square is equals to 9 AB square. 9 AD square is equals to 9ab square. This will transpose to other side 2bc square. This bc can be written as ab because bc is equals to ab, sides of an equilateral triangle. ABC was the equilateral triangle was given. So 9ad square is equals to 9 minus 2, that is 7ab square. So like this we have done the exercise. Now the question number 17, 16 and 17 you can do yourself. Take the correct answer and justify. AB is given, AC is given, BC is given. Then angle B, we have to find what will be the angle B. So it is given here, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AB is given, this is, so hypotenuse is square. This is 12 centimeter square. This is 12 square, the longest side, that is 144, and the other square of the other two side, that is 6 root 3 and plus 6. So if we do the square of these two sides, 6 root 3 whole square plus 6 square is equals to 12 square. We will check for this. So this becomes 36 into 3, that is 108, plus 36 is equals to 144. So 136 becomes 144 is equals to 144. Both the sides equal, hence it's a right triangle. So answer will be, angle B will be equals to 90 degree. This we can do the question number 16 also. In an equilateral triangle, prove that the 3 times the sides of one side is equal to the 4 times the square of the altitude. Similarly, you can do this. So this is the end of the exercise. Try to do all these questions in the notebook. Thank you so much.